Hello, this is Brittany here down at Subaru of Puyallup. Just wanted to show how to install a front-facing booster seat in the 22 WRX. Okay, so we have our forward-facing booster seat right here. We're gonna do the 2 points to tie it down. So of course it's gonna be the first one, which is the lap belt in the back. So you grab your seat belt, put it through and feed it in, and go ahead and click it in. Pull it tight, so secure that way. Then our second point, of course, is gonna be the tether in the back. So we're gonna go ahead and show you how to do that right now. Okay, so we're gonna do the second point. So of course, here's your tether point in the back. You wanna take your clip, secure it, and of course, pull it tight so that seat does not go. And then put it down, and you're all ready to go. So that's gonna be how you install a front-facing booster seat in the 2022 WRX. If you have any questions at all, visit us at 720 River Road or SubaruofPuyallup.com.